Hello everyone, I recently made available 3 hospital set plans on my website. I just want to spend a couple minutes to show what you can make with them. I came up with these a few years back when my daughter asked me to make her a hospital for her stuffed animals. Plan set 1 has plans for the bed, the support here for either IV or to support a leg, and some small crutches. Plan set 2 includes this wheelchair, some larger crutches, and a support as well that clips onto the chair with an IV. Plan set 3 has a table that fits both the bed and the chair, a defibrillator, a floor stand for holding an IV, small reflex hammer, and a scalpel tool. Here's a closer look at the bed. Of course, with a hospital bed, it wouldn't be a hospital bed if the bed didn't go up and down. So there's an attachment to do that. A little strut that goes out to hold it in place. The table slides nicely under the bed, so that of course, there's not plans for the mattress in the plan set. It's just a piece of foam in a cloth pocket with a stitch down at the seam where it folds. But if there was a lot of demand, I could probably come up with a pattern for that. This, of course, clips on either end. One of the nice things about the bed, always a problem, is storage. So, like a regular bed, the ends come off. It breaks down quite nicely. For convenient storage. The wheelchair, of course, rolls and works. Not much more to it than that. It's an animal in it, so I don't have too much light here. And, table slides in nicely for it. I can eat away with this item. These 2 pieces are removable, so you can, save your stuffed animal if it has a heart attack. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out jeplans.com.